Amazon Andes is where biodiversity becomes beauty. From Peru, we bring natural cosmetic ingredients and finished products inspired by the Amazon and the Andes. We work with ingredients that carry identity, ingredients with origin, ingredients that can become texture, ritual, and product story. At Cosmetics Global 2026, we present a selection of botanical ingredients designed for today's beauty market. Some of them are dragon's blood, Copaiba oil, Aguaje oil, Copoazú butter, natural ingredients with character, sensorial richness, and formulation potential. This year, we also introduce Alma Care, our natural cosmetics line. Repair, a restorative concept inspired by care and resilience. Hidrafresh, a fresh, light expression of daily hydration. Firm and glow, a luminous concept designed for a more radiant cosmetic experience. With Amazon Andes, ingredients do more than perform. They communicate origin, they elevate product identity, they help brands create beauty with story, texture, and meaning. We look forward to connecting with formulators, brand owners, and distributors seeking natural cosmetic ingredients with authentic origin and development potential. The pleasure is ours.